Hello and welcome to Yoomi's Place. I'm going to do another speed art video for you today, but this one is going to be revolving around a contest of sorts from Mr. 23. So Mr. 23 is up and coming Photoshop YouTuber. He is a fantastic artist. Look at this work up here. This is freaking phenomenal work. Lots of great content here. Friends with photo manipulation. A friend of ours here at Yoomi's Place as well. Lots of great stuff, but he has a contest going on right here. It's called Do It Better. This is episode 1, the first one. I guess he's going to be doing a lot more of these, which is kind of cool. And in this video, he does a tutorial of how to create a planet out of a texture and then encourages people who want to enter the contest to create their own planet using that same texture and then come up with something. So in this video, I'm going to do that. I'm going to take his texture, create a planet, and then create a scene with it. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go back to my childhood with Wile E. Coyote Genius. So let's jump right into this video.